Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to earn money by watching ads online. I'll be showing you two websites that you can use to earn money watching ads from anywhere in the world. But quick disclaimer before we dive in, with the websites that I'm about to show you, your earning potential will vary depending on the country or the region that you are living in. For example, if you are living in the Caribbean like myself, your earning potential will be a lot less compared to someone living in the United Kingdom or Australia or America. But it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you will still be able to earn some money using the websites that I'm about to show you. But since I've got that out the way and you now have an idea of how much you can earn, let's dive in. The first website that we'll be looking at is cointiply. And with cointiply, it's completely free and easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is simply search for cointiply.com, then sign up using your email address and create a password. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on earn coins, as you can see right here. And from here, you're going to select watch videos. And by the way, there are numerous other options on how you can use this website to earn money. For example, you could do surveys or you can get paid to play games. And as you can see right here, with this one, if you should tap on Loot TV, you'll be able to watch videos and then you'll be getting paid for the ads during those videos. And you can see 5 coins per point. And you can see also almost unlimited videos, and it's available for most countries. And as I said earlier, as you can see right here, for this one you'll be getting a lot more coins compared to the 5 coins right here. But it is only available for persons in the US, UK, Canada, Denmark, Australia and Spain, as you can see right there. So yes, you can use cointiply to get money, and also their payout threshold is actually very low, so you'll be able to get paid once you have earned over $5, and you can get paid via PayPal, or you can also choose if you would like to get paid via crypto token. So yes, you can earn crypto token using this website. And you can see right here, by doing referrals, you will also be able to maximize your earning. Another website that you can also use to earn money online while watching ads is RewardXP. And with RewardXP, you'll simply sign up using your email address. And once you have done that, you'll simply tap on earn. And as I said earlier, the offers depend on the country that you're living in. So you'll simply tap on videos. And from here, you will check out the videos that they have available. So you're going to tap on hideout.tv right here. And once you sign up, you'll be able to watch videos. And while watching the videos, you'll be shown some ads. And you'll be getting paid depending on the amount of ads that you watch. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to earn money while watching ads online.